So banks. Banks are for basically all of us a part of daily life. Most of the time, banks and the banking system works well, but sometimes part of it, or perhaps even the whole system fails. Banks go under, and a self-propelling downward spiral can start, leading to catastrophic consequences and even financial crisis. So financial crises are dramatic events. People run to the banks, bank runs appear. This can lead to banks failing, and this can spread like a wildfire to other banks and actually to the rest of the world. And we know that the consequences of these series of events are very dramatic, and they can also be quite long. We have seen these things happening in history many times, but we have also seen that it can happen during modern times in our economy today. So when you think about the consequences of financial crisis, and in particular about the central role that banks play, many questions arise. Couldn't we do without banks? Do we really need to have them? Is it the case that banks are inherently unstable, or is there some flaw in the construction of banks that could be fixed? When banks fail, couldn't new banks quickly arise, taking over the old customers so that the economy could start to be operative quickly again? And we also hear that banks create money. Is that even legal? And when we think about the consequences of bank runs and bank failures, wouldn't it be possible to change the system, to introduce measures that make the system more stable so that we don't see these dramatic events?